Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving quadratic equations using the square root method. We have three problems. Part A, x squared minus 49 equals 0. Part B, 2x squared equals 50. Part C, x plus 2, quantity squared, equals 36. Key concept, the square root method. If x squared equals k, then x equals plus or minus the square root of k. If a binomial squared equals k, then the binomial equals plus or minus the square root of k. Here are the steps. Step 1, isolate the squared term. Step 2, take the square root of both sides. Always use plus or minus. Step 3, solve for x. Step 4, verify both solutions in the original equation. The most important thing to remember, always use plus or minus when you take the square root. That gives you two solutions every time. Part A, solve x squared minus 49 equals 0. Step 1, isolate x squared. Add 49 to both sides. X squared equals 49. Step 2, take the square root of both sides. X equals plus or minus the square root of 49. Step 3, simplify. The square root of 49 is 7. X equals 7, or x equals negative 7. Verify part A. Check x equals 7 in the original equation. 7 squared minus 49 equals 49 minus 49 equals 0. Confirmed. Check x equals negative 7 in the original equation. Negative 7 squared minus 49 equals 49 minus 49 equals 0. Confirmed. Both solutions check out. Part B is solve 2x squared equals 50. Step 1, isolate x squared. Divide both sides by 2. X squared equals 25. Step 2, take the square root of both sides. X equals plus or minus the square root of 25. Step 3, simplify. The square root of 25 is 5. X equals 5, or x equals negative 5. Verify part B. Check x equals 5 in the original equation. 2x squared equals 50. 2 times 5 squared equals 2 times 25 equals 50. Confirmed. Check x equals negative 5 in the original equation. 2 times negative 5 squared equals 2 times 25 equals 50. Confirmed. Both solutions check out. Part C, solve x plus 2, quantity squared, equals 36. Step 1, the squared term is already isolated. Step 2, take the square root of both sides. X plus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. So x plus 2 equals plus or minus 6. Step 3, solve each case. Subtract 2 from both sides in each. Case 1, x plus 2 equals positive 6. Subtract 2. X equals 4. Case 2x plus 2 equals negative 6. Subtract 2. X equals negative 8. X equals 4, or x equals negative 8. Verify part C. Check x equals 4 in the original equation. X plus 2 squared equals 36. 4 plus 2 squared equals 6 squared equals 36. Confirmed. Check x equals negative 8 in the original equation. Negative 8 plus 2 squared equals negative 6 squared equals 36. Confirmed. Both solutions check out. Recap. Part A, x squared minus 49 equals 0. Solutions x equals 7, or x equals negative 7. Part B, 2x squared equals 50. Solutions x equals 5, or x equals negative 5. Part C, x plus 2, quantity squared, equals 36. Solutions x equals 4, or x equals negative 8. Remember the steps every time. Step 1, isolate the squared term. Step 2, take the square root of both sides, always use plus or minus. Step 3, solve for x in each case. Step 4, verify both solutions. Pro tip, never forget the plus or minus. There are always two solutions with the square root method. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.